hello, someone has a problem about login. Here, if you want to use login with SpringBoot, first of all, you should add the dependency in pop XML. Okay. Here, I add a dependency of log4j. Let's say, if you have add some dependencies in pop XML, you should next to open your Maven and download some resources and document. Or you can refresh and click this button. It will download some dependency. Okay, it's the first step. Then the second you should open your resources. And the second you should to create a XML, and the name must be Logback Spring. And if you want to change the name, you must in the application property to add this statement. If you want to change the name, you must to add this statement. And here, because I named Logback Spring, so these words you can delete is okay. Understand? Okay. And in the XML, you should add some content about the login configuration. And here I do some Chinese remark. And here we must to add this one, my Batis log configuration. And here the login out in debug. Here I change. If you want to add databases, you can add this statements. Okay. Just two step.
Oh shit. Did you upload this to the GitHub?
Yeah.
You can always
do this configuration when you start our project. It will have login information in your controller. You can see like this. You can see the debug of login application listener. some information when you restart your project. Okay. It will help you to solve the problems. Some exceptions. Like in Java, such as in Java, you always you always have non-point exception and array bounds auto array bounds auto array indexed auto bounds exception and IO exception and so on. Okay. So if you have the Logback and use the Logback skills, it will help you to debug your code. And here I add a lot of information about logging, and this configuration is very rich. You can delete something if you don't need. Okay. Next, I will open the Visual Studio code and pack some our Vue project, and we will integrate the Vue project with SpringBoot project. Okay. Okay. Last week we have built a Vue project and finish our login page. Okay.
Yes.
And everyone can start your Vue project with the command of npm run dv. Okay. Have you mind?
Yes.
So you can start your project, and we can test whether it is successful. I open this project is not we open the simple one. And here I will start this one. This project is just simple. Just now I have start another project, and I so just for some minutes, start in port of 1881. Okay, have you finished?
Okay.
And this one is our login page. Okay. and then if you want to integrate this demo to Spring project, first you should open the directory of config and open the file index.js, and here there's something about about port. Here we can see something here, and here so you can change if you want to change port. You can to update here. Okay. Then I will you just to click Control and C and Y, then it stop. Here we should to change something because in our SpringBoot we visit the page by login and in the view but nothing after the port, and then so we should to change something. You just to open your router and the index.js, and we can see if you input nothing, you visit the hello world component. Okay, and if you input login, it will visit the login view. So here we keep consistency. Okay, so we should to Webpack the VUE project. Use the command of npm run and build. Just for a while, it will Webpack some files, and as now we can see it's the structures. When you finish your Webpack, it will add a folder. Okay, and then it shows this information. It means the Webpack completed. Okay, and they will add a folder. It's just a disk. You can see those file make last week, and just this folder create just now. Okay, and then it's a new directory, and we need this we need these files. You just to copy these files and copy these files after and under your SpringBoot project. After resources, the main resources and the static. Someone maybe have a problem. Why under static directory have a static directory? Have you? And you? Copy after and paste after your resources and static. Okay.
Okay.
Static we usually put some file about CSS. It's a cascade style sheet and JavaScript. So you just copy the static the whole directory, directory, and paste paste to this directory. Okay, and then the index file you should to put templates, and after templates we always put some HTML files. Okay.
Yes.
So you should put the index HTML here, and then we should change some configuration here, because we use static page like HTML, so we often use theme leaf this goes. Okay, and just change this place. Okay, and you change it to templates. Okay, and the dispatcher select will find the HTML page. Okay, so here you should to change, and then you should to add method in our handler, and here add this code, because I hope the login page is our home page. So our first or welcome page. So here the request mapping just nothing input, and any method name you can named. Okay, here return the name of HTML. So here we named index. Okay, you should add this code in your handler, any handler. Here we just have only 100, so 100. So I add here. Okay. just 3 steps. When paste the pack films after different directory, then change the simpleaf, and you should also check the static. We can see I'm with static paths like this, okay? And then the third step, you should add like this, and then you restart your project. We will say if you type local 1818 port, it will show your home welcome page, and your welcome page will be your login page. Okay. Somebody maybe have a problems like this. I will say, if you put the index HTML under the static, or if you your configuration here is wrong, and some problems will happen. I will change to wrong, okay, to test for you. If here you you change like this, I should start our server. Here there's the status is 500, okay, and we can see some error and the types here. You can see the dispatcher. We can see dispatcher is the Spring MVC center, okay. It's the center handler dispatcher select. It says can't find index, okay. So here you must to change template. It means your static page location, okay. And the other problem, mistake always happens in here. Here, someone maybe type like this, and it also have the same mistake like the information, okay. So here you should to delete this flag, okay, and the end of you can't to type like this because here we configuration the suffix is HTML, okay. So
which file, Loshi?
I mean here you needn't to input like this. You just input the name, not the suffix. Okay.
Okay.
So I will give you some several minutes to debug your code. Okay. Any problem you can type WeChat. Okay.